Happy Little Goose is back. What are we doing?
I'm reading a book after go to bed.
What's the book called? Good Night Moon. Yep. Okay. So, in the great
room.
What color?
Green.
Green room. There was a
telephone
and a
blue.
What color?
Red.
And a picture of
a cat jumping over a moon and three bears sitting on chairs.
Very good.
I got crackers on me.
And
two little kittens.
And a
pair of mittens.
And a
toy house.
Whose is it like?
Mine.
Yours. And a
mouse.
Very good. And
a brush and a comb and
bowl full of
must.
That's right. And a
lady who's hot.
Hush, yes. Good night, room.
Good night, moon. Good night, cat jumping over a moon.
Good night.
Light. Good night, blue. Good night, bears sitting on chairs. Good night, kittens. Good night, mittens. Good night, socks. Good night, fox. Good night, toy house. Good night, mouse.
Good night.
Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Good night, mush. Good night, nobody.
You did that one, huh? And good night,
lady who's hot.
Yep.
And good night, stars. Good night, air.
And good night,
noises everywhere.
Good job. You have that book down.